Hey guys, so we are going to do lava lamp. Lava lamp. Hey guys, so we are gonna do. Oops. Hey guys, we're gonna do lava lamp at home with these bottles. So first, we're gonna put some cooking oil. Do this one first. Alright.
That's full, not really full.
And then we'll put some water.
Yeah.
Water.
Okay.
Next, you do your, what color you want to do? Red?
Yeah.
I do green, okay? You do it. And then you put... No, don't do that. It's gonna go on your face.
You look so hard.
There.
Okay.
You... Yeah, put your...
Ready, set, go.
Okay guys, so next step is alka seltzer. Okay, hold on.
It just pops.
Okay guys, so we're gonna put alka seltzer in. Okay, go ahead, Sander. Alright. Then we'll wait.
Finish.
You see it?
You go.
Watch your finger so we can see it.
Oh! It's like blowing bubbles everywhere.
That looks cool, huh?
Oh, look at that. Where's the screen?
It's our own level line.
Can it turn? Can we like put
Okay, yours looks really cool.
so I can use it as a lamp?
Yeah, well, not really.
Oh,
Could put a light under there, but it's like the lava lamp. Have you seen a lava lamp before?
no.
Yeah, you have.
No, I do not.
That's cool, huh?
It's like raining. Is that it?
Yours is faster than mine.
Yeah.
I think I need to put more on the green.
I need to put more people. I mean,
Good job. Just watch it.
yo, it's done.
I need more on this one.
I need more too. I'll open it.
This one's cool. I need more because it's dying.
Done. Here.
Yeah?
Ready?
There you go.
Set. Go. Bye, y'all. God, it's raining. Big ball. Oh God.
Look at yours.
Yoo-hoo. Oh God. Can I touch it?
No, don't touch it.
Oh, look at yours. It's so slow. Mine is faster.
I'll put another one in mine.
Okay, let me open it. I'm not gonna cut.
Don't put yours. Look at. There's so many spider. Can you open for me?
Okay.
I'll put more in this big one.
Have two. Okay. I broke it.
Okay, put. Now break it. You put it in yours.
Bye bye, y'all. It'll break in pieces. So we're waiting on.
Oh, look at this.
Oh God.
Can you open more?
Yeah. I can't put it. Yo, it's like lava.
Come on. No, yeah, just your.
No. Oh God.
Uh-oh, yours is over.
Oh God. It's like lava. Mine is faster than Daddy.
Here, let's put more in this one. Can you open it?
Yeah.
This one's really cold.
Yeah.
Do that.
So fast.
Oh, it went up. No, it's not supposed to go up that fast.
I'll put one in mine. Oh, what was that? That was cracker. Ready? Set. Ready?
Did it stop?
Yes.
Okay, go. Here, open more for me. Okay, put yours. Go ahead. Just open this one. I'm gonna put more in the green one.
I'll smash it. I'll put.
Oh no, it's. Oh no!
I'll put mine here. Ready? Go.
Okay guys, so that's it for the video. We're just gonna be here, have fun with this lava lamp at home, and you can do this with your kids. Have fun.
Bye.
Thank you.
Oh.